Hi guys, so in today's video we're going to be talking about popular politician Phillip Paulwell, whose baby mother and 10-month-old child is missing. So let's get into the initial story, and I'm taking this story from Jamaica Gleaner, and it says opposition lawmaker Phillip Pauwell says his 10-month-old daughter Soraya and her mother were seemingly abducted from their home in St. Andrew on Saturday. The police have launched a search for the two, Tashana Patterson, otherwise called Tosh, and her baby, who were last seen at about 7 a.m. at their gate on Glenmore Drive in St. Andrew. The Halfway Tree police says they have not been heard from since. Patterson is of dark complexion, slim built, and about 5 feet 4 inches tall, while Soraya is of dark complexion and about 75 centimeters tall. Patterson was dressed in a brown two-top, army green sweatpants, and a pair of black Crocs, while Soraya was dressed in a pink onesie. Paulwell is a member of Parliament for Kingston East and Port Royal and leader of opposition business in the House of Representatives. This is scary and comes at a time when I've been threatened by scammers who have hacked my phone and banking data and are demanding money to release them. He said he has given a statement to the police and has increased his security. I have made it clear that I will not give in to extortionists, but this is a serious and dangerous development. Paulwell said, adding that I am worried sick over their safety and hope the police, who have launched a high-level investigation, will find the abductors and get them both home safe and sound. Anyone knowing the whereabouts of Tashana Patterson and Soraya Paulwell is asked to contact the Halfway Tree police at 876-926-8184, and that's 876-926-8184. What a piece of mix-up. Them a politician and them host want fix up. Anyways, I'm gonna take this article from Yard Hype, which go into more details, and it says it is alleged that Patterson was called recently by another female said to also be partner or baby mother of the MP. The estranged baby mother explained that she was going through problems with the MP and wanted to meet up with Patterson to discuss the issues at hand that Patterson was also going through with the MP. Patterson agreed to meet the estranged female on Saturday morning. After leaving home to do so, she has not been heard from since. Someone who is said to be the cousin of Patterson took to social media on Saturday to give more details on the matter and also publicize the MP's name. The name given that member of parliament for the constituency of Kingston East and Port Royal, Phillip Paulwell. And it says, my cousin Tashana Patterson and her 10-month-old baby girl Soraya Paul have been missing since 7 a.m. this morning. She was at her Kingston home at 3rd Gilmore Drive, Kingston 20, when a burnt gold color van resembling a Pedro or Prada came by the gate, and she went out to whoever was in the van. By the time her sister got dressed and came outside, the van was gone, and so was my cousin and the baby. Before she went to the van, she told her sister and mom that it was her baby father's baby mother and she came to see the baby. The baby father name is Phillip Paulwell and his other baby mother name is Lidoa Bradshaw or Leoda. I don't know how to pronounce this name. His other baby mother's name is Leoda Bradshaw, who she said came to the gate to her. So allegedly, it is said that Lidoa, or the other baby mother, is not even the person that Phillip Paulwell is married to and has children with, not his legitimate wife. So this is a second baby mother, and Patterson would make three. So he has two baby mother outside of his wife. his kids on the side, allegedly. But with this being said, these are the people that Jamaican people like to put into power, and these are the type of people that they have run the country. Men with a whole bunch of kids outside of their marital home, and they prolong this misogynistic, sexist society, and they're the ones that are said to be controlling Jamaica and what we are doing, while women have no rights and they're treated like trash, and the legislation and laws don't protect or serve women. But y'all continue because y'all are the one that put these people in position of power. If they like it, I love it. They must know who they're voting for and who they're putting in positions of powers. But anyways, because one thing I've realized is that and a lot of these crimes that are committed, women, Jamaican women play a large part. Okay, nothing more than this lady went and this is my opinion right here, and said the child support money they get cut too many times, and he not answer me and he not give me enough money. So she plan up and take with the girl and her baby, and I'm just saying, check his phone records, check if he has anything to do with it. Because this seems fishy to me. This is really, really fishy and mix up and blender and just too much. And then the fact that he's saying that scammers hacked his phone and banking data from last week is another sketch thing to me. But that's neither here nor there. As this story develops, I will continue to watch it and keep a close eye. I hope they find this lady and her baby and no harm is done to them, because Jamaica is not a place that you want to go missing. If you go missing for more than 24 hours in Jamaica, majority of the time you're going to show up dead. And I'm sorry to say this, I'm sorry to her family and friends and everybody else, but I have to say it. With that being said, I hope she's fine. I hope she shows up. I hope all is well. I'm going to end this video here. Like, comment, share, subscribe, leave your comments in the comment section below, and I'll see you in the next one. Deuces.